Hello students, here is the agenda video for Thursday and Friday. So you're going to go ahead and go to your modules, click on the agenda. The first thing we're going to do is we're going to read the textbook, excuse me, The Achievements of the Gupta Empire, and we're going to breeze through that together. So make sure you read that. And then lastly, you are going to do your India exit ticket, or ancient India exit ticket. Based on everything you've learned about ancient India, what have you found most interesting? Please write at least 2 or more sentences explaining what you have found interesting. Remember, you can go ahead and copy and paste this sentence starters and click reply and then paste it in and go ahead and answer. So I'm just curious, we're wrapping up our unit of India. What did you find most interesting or relatable in any answer goes, all right, as long as it has to do with India. And then once again, if you have missing work, that is your #1 priority. You need to finish all missing assignments. All right, have a wonderful day.